Hey, how you doing? Austin Hilton here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Safemoon. I actually did a Safemoon video about a week or two ago and haven't honestly had time to get back to it, but now I'm coming back to Safemoon. I am going to cover Safemoon on my channel because there's a tremendous amount of interest in this cryptocurrency. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Also, a little bit of a housekeeping public service announcement. Comments below. If you see an image of me on a comment where I'm trying to get you to call on WhatsApp or get on the WhatsApp app, or I'm recommending a broker or something like that, that is not me. That's con artists and scammers trying to get you. So just know that, and please do not interact with them. Okay, so that's your public service announcement. All right, so let's get into this and let's talk about the latest and greatest with Safemoon. There is a ton of interest, probably similar to the levels that we see with Dogecoin and Shiba, which is why I'm absolutely bringing it back to the channel. I'm going to continue to cover it because I know you guys want content around it. What I'm going to do real simply in this video is, number one, we're going to look at a chart, we're going to look at the price, we're going to talk about what's going on, we're going to kind of talk about an overall state of the union related to it. We're also going to look at a piece of content that shows us maybe how to buy Safemoon. So if you're interested in that, trying to figure that out, we're going to talk about how to buy it. We're going to talk about some of the reasons you might want to look at not buying it or buying it. I'm not slamming Safemoon, so don't start getting on me on that. But it is a highly volatile, brand new relative cryptocurrencies, and I say this in all my crypto videos. Be careful, protect yourself. Don't invest the kids' college fund or your rent or your mortgage. Only put into Safemoon what you can afford to lose, okay? Because there are definitely some scenarios related to Safemoon that you're going to learn in this video that are not overly positive. Now, am I saying you should or shouldn't do it? That's ultimately your call, okay? But my point to you is if you are going to put some money into Safemoon or add to your position, please play with money and use money that you can afford to lose in some of these higher risk scenarios in these cryptos like Shiba, like Safemoon, etc. I'm not bashing Shiba, by the way. Okay, I'm not bashing anything. I'm just simply bringing you the information. I like to bring you guys clear, concise, information so that you can make kind of a go or no go. All right, let's get into it. Here we go. Let's go take a look at Safemoon. Okay, so you can see on the screen here that Safemoon is up 8.3% in the last 24 hours. The volume is down 83% though. So the volume absolutely has been dropping on it. The market cap is 4.7 billion right there, and you can see that's down 8.3. Okay, so real quickly, to kind of give you a little bit of an education here, I'm going to show you how to say what Safemoon is worth, okay? So this spot right here is the 10th, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and I believe the million. So this is 8 millionths of a penny is how you would say it. Okay, that's what it's currently priced at. All right. So, and that is up 8.3. I want to show you this real quickly. Here's your 24-hour highs and 24-hour lows. So you can see we were down to 7, and we've been all the way up to 9 in the last 24 hours. Again, trading volume is down quite a bit. You can see from a 7-day pattern here that really, as of late, from about really kind of May. Well, we drop right here. My point to you is that from May 13, 14, and today 15, we're really trading in kind of a sideways pattern. We had a similar kind of sideways pattern here, but we definitely dropped here, bounced back, dropped back. And also, I'd point out, look at the volatility. Look at how much this is moving around on a given day. If we look at the 1-month chart, you can see kind of even more, kind of some of the volatility. This has a lot of volatility. If you're not okay with volatility, meaning ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs, probably not a crypto you want to get into. It's definitely not, it's just got a lot of movement, right? It's a roller coaster. It's one thing, that's kind of the word I always put on it. But again, you got kind of a sideways pattern right here, okay? So that's the overall kind of chart. Again, just real straightforward, just kind of walking you around a few scenarios. It's ranked number 202 in the overall. But here's what is very interesting about Safemoon. Now let me refresh this real quickly. Okay? So what you're looking at here is on CoinMarketCap. You can go find this yourself. What are the most viewed cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap? Shiba being the number 1, Doge being number 2, makes sense. Safemoon is the number 3 most viewed cryptocurrency out of the thousands of cryptos out there overall on CoinMarketCap. What does that tell you? It tells you there's an insane amount of interest in this crypto, okay? And interest usually in some form or fashion equals investment. You have a, for every X amount of people that come in, 100,000, whatever it is, you're going to have a certain amount of buyers. Right now, me trying to advise you guys as my subscribers and part of my community is go into it eyes wide open. I always say this, but I really want to stress this: is that again, put money into this. Here's the thing: you could put $50 into Safemoon, or 100 or 200, whatever is kind of easy, what's good for you. And to me, that's it's better than a lottery ticket. It's better than going to Vegas, and I love Vegas. I like going to Vegas all the time. My point to you is it's not, I'm not liking it to gambling, but I'm also saying it's better than a lottery ticket. I think there was a quote around that. Somebody said this as a quote. Somebody famous said that, it was Mark Cuban. Mark Cuban said that about Dogecoin. That's what it was. So my point to you is, instead of going and putting $50 on lottery tickets, buy yourself $50 worth of Safemoon or something like that, and it, know that it could go away or it's highly volatile, etc. Okay, real quickly, I want you, if you're interested in Safemoon, if you haven't been here yet, this is the official website. Go to safemoon.net, and this is the website. And here's what I want you to do. Read about it. Learn about it. Know some stuff about it, okay? But what I want to point out to you is right now, there are 2,027,000 and change holders of Safemoon. That's a pretty significant amount. Market cap, $4.6 billion, and there are this many in supply, okay? It's 584 billion. Let's see. That's 800 million. No, it moved on me. 800 million. 584 billion. I think that's the number. Okay. My point is a big number. Those numbers have always messed me up. Even since I was a little kid, those numbers have always messed me up in trying to say them. I mean, like 50 million. If I look at 50 million, it still takes me a minute to kind of, okay, where's the comma, things like that. All right. So let's now talk about, check my time. Okay, good. Let's talk about what is Safemoon, how to buy it, and some other things around it. Okay, so what is it? It's an alternative investment asset that has a clever strategy for rewarding long-term owners. This is something this is unique to Safemoon, okay? If you didn't know this, if you did, bear with me, I got some more content coming. If you didn't know this, right here, Safemoon penalizes investors who sell it by imposing a 10% exit fee. Half of that fee is redistributed to all Safemoon holders, while the other half is burned. The company promises to implement a burn strategy that is beneficial and rewarding for long-term holders. This is something very, very unique, by the way, okay? If all goes according to plan, owners of Safemoon will see their ownership stakes increase over time as the exit fee is incrementally redistributed to remaining token holders. Meanwhile, the burn, which functions like a stock buyback program, will decrease the overall amount of existing Safemoon tokens over time. Okay, so how to buy it. I get a lot of questions on this, like even around Shiba and things like that. So how to buy it. The leading way to buy it is through PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap was launched last fall and serves as an automated market maker. It's a decentralized DeFi app that allows a wide variety of trading, liquidity providing, and yield farming operations. Safemoon's official Twitter account posted a video tutorial on how to buy Safemoon using PancakeSwap. Or go check out, there's some videos here on YouTube, how to buy Safemoon using Pancake. All right, you can do that. You can, and then right here, you can, if you want to pause, you can read this right here, okay? But there's also another way. You can get it through the Bitmart. Say that fast. Bitmart. You can get it through the Bitmart exchange as well. Okay, it came back on April 5th before it really took off. Okay, so you can get it there. Let me also show you real quickly right here under market. If you go to coinmarketcap.com and look up Safemoon, see right here, CoinMarketCap. Then you go to here and then look up Safemoon, and then go right here on this tab that says market. These are all the different markets that you can get it. Bitmark, PancakeSwap, we've already talked about. Here's some other ones if you want to look. Whitebit, Dcoin, if you maybe you have some of these, or so to speak. Okay. All right. So should you buy Safemoon? Now, again, don't be hating on me, so to speak. I have a friend of mine who says that all the time. Okay. So there has been widespread criticism of the project. My goal is to bring you the information. I always like to bring you kind of both sides of the street, both so you have a complete picture. Okay, there has been criticism of Safemoon. Absolutely, prominent crypto thought leaders have blasted the currency, comparing it to a Ponzi scheme, BitConnect. Some experts have compared it to a multi-level marketing scheme designed to only get certain players rich. Furthermore, it could be alarming that the Safemoon CEO owns more than 50% of the liquidity. Well, that's I don't really like that the CEO owns more than 50% of liquidity. Now, I didn't say that it was a multi-level. This article did. I'm showing you so that you know, you kind of have a complete picture of the lay of the land. All right? All right. Continuing, quote, by the time most people find out about Safemoon, it'll probably be too late to make any short-term earnings. That gets to the crux of the matter. While Safemoon may end up being a good project, it doesn't necessarily mean make the token a buy at the height of its initial hype cycle. And at these levels, where are we at right here? At these levels, I mean, again, you could put 50 bucks in this if you so chose, if you feel that's right for you, and just go into it eyes wide open, okay? Because it's so dramatically cheap in price, is what I meant. Okay, it is, quote, is not likely to have as much long-term underlying value, plus we've already seen a drastic plunge in its value. We did see that of some of the fallout related to kind of around the Tesla scenario, okay? There's too much concern over the safety coin. Okay, so this particular guy wasn't totally negative on Safemoon. However, investors seem to be flocking to new DeFi protocols such as Safemoon, Shiba, etc. So the usage can definitely provide more underlying value as time goes on. Okay. And this is, pay attention, this is biggie. If Safemoon is going to succeed, it needs to achieve some functionality beyond simply being a tool for speculators. People speculating on whether the price will go up, etc. The loyalty feature is a perk. That's the 10% scenario if you sell. But that may not alone support Safemoon's current value. Quote, I think investors need to be cautious about the cryptocurrency that has no real utility as of yet. It's clear that the Safemoon team wants to reward loyal users, but if the currency has no real use, what's the point of holding on to it? Okay, that's a valid criticism, but one that Safemoon's white paper appears to reject, with goals of establishing a marketplace for NFTs, orchestrating charitable projects, and creating educational crypto apps. Okay, so where does this leave us? Okay, this leaves us in a scenario where you need to look at this and whether it's a good choice for you. Don't put all your money into it. Don't put all your savings into it. Put in, if you're going to do it, put in enough money that you're okay sleeping at night and not worried about it. Also, I always say this in all my crypto videos. I don't care if you're talking about putting in money into Bitcoin. Well, what does Bitcoin have to do with Safemoon? Here's my point. If you're going to do cryptocurrency investing, diversify your risk. Put money, if you're going to buy some Safemoon. Then go buy some Doge. Go buy some Shiba. Go buy some Cardano, XRP, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Austin, I can't afford Bitcoin at $51,000. I know, but you don't have to buy $51,000. You can buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. You can. You can buy $50 worth of Ethereum. You can. Okay? So my point to you is diversify. Spread your risk. Okay? Also, spread your risk outside of crypto. Go buy some stocks, some ETFs, some mutual funds, things like that. Invest in your 401k. Just make good choices. Be smart in how you invest. Okay? I hope you've enjoyed this video. My goal was real simple, was to kind of walk you around the proverbial park here and kind of guide you through these Safemoon waters and just tell you kind of what I'm seeing. And am I saying Safemoon is bad? Absolutely not. Am I saying you should be careful about putting in some money into Safemoon? Yes, I'm saying that. But I also say that about Dogecoin. I also say that about Shiba. Frankly, I also say that about Bitcoin. I also say that about Ethereum because guess what? They are all volatile in their own regard, and you just need to protect yourself in that capacity. All right, guys, I'll see you down the road. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later.